I'm Avi, and in this video, I'm going to introduce you to the events and articles views and filters for your YMCA website. These components allow you to feature, filter, and list articles and events using Layout Builder throughout your site. Let's see how they work. Here on my landing page, I have a featured events section, an events filter, and also a listing. When I click on the Layout tab for this page and uncheck Show Content Preview, I can see the sections that go into building these blocks: the featured events block, events filter, the events listing blocks. To add these blocks, we click on Add Block, Create Custom Block. We can choose our featured section, either featured articles or featured events. We can choose our filters with the events filter or articles filter. And we can choose our listing with either the articles listing or events listing. Each of these blocks functions similarly, whether it's showing articles or events. I'm going to check Show Content Preview, and now we'll see how each of these blocks is built. In the Featured Events block, I'm going to click the pencil icon and then Configure. Here we have a title field that we can show or hide to the user using the Display Title checkbox. In the Manual Selection Items field, you can use autocomplete to select any event you've added to the site. Start typing the name of the event and then choose from the drop-down menu. You can add as many featured events as you'd like, but we recommend just sticking with one. Once you're finished editing, click Update. In the Events Filter block, we have a title field that we can also show or hide using the Display Title checkbox. And in the Events Listing block, we also just have a title and the option to show or hide it. You can see here, I've added similar blocks, but with the articles type. So we have Featured Articles block, an Articles Filter block, and an Articles Listing block. Whether you're building a page for articles or events, once you're finished adding the blocks, scroll back to the top of the page and click Save Layout. Once you've saved your page, you'll see the Featured block, the Filters block, and the Listing block. The Features block shows the items that you've chosen in the manual selection. The Filters block shows locations, categories, and allows users to filter by keyword. The Listing block shows any published events or articles on the site and will be filtered based on the filters above. The block also has a Load More option to show more events on the page. Here we have the Featured Articles block that, instead of showing events, shows articles with a similar display and slightly different content. The Articles filter behaves the same as the Events filter, and the Articles listing behaves the same as the Events listing, showing slightly different content because we have tags and publish dates on the articles. Here's what the Events listing blocks looks like on mobile. Filters, a listing. Again, the featured articles, articles filter, and articles listing. For more information on these blocks, visit our documentation at ds-docs.y.org. Then go to User Documentation, Layout Builder, and Event Views and Filters, or Article Views and Filters. Thanks.